Good morning, student. Today we will solve exercise 2.1 statement questions of fractional number. Question number 6. So question number 6, what said to you? You see, what should be added to 6 3 by 4 to get 9? So we don't know what we'll add. So we should add x. Okay. So in the solution we'll write let the number be. So what number we'll add? We will get this one, right? So here you write number be x. Okay, what will take? There is x. Okay, so according to question here, so what number? First 6 3 by 4, if you add with x, so you have taken what we have taken, we'll taken x. So here we write x. So that means we'll add with x, then we'll get this 9. Okay, now we simplify it. So here equal to, now 6 4 ja, here is mixed numbers, so we'll convert this one into improper fraction, right? So 6 4 ja what? 24 plus 3 27, right? Okay, now here you give implied sign and then plus. So this x you write there and 9. Okay, so now we'll change the side. Okay, so you see there, if you change this 27 by 4 in left to right, then what will do? This, there is plus sign, it will be in minus sign. Okay, now x you give there and 9 is there, right? What 9 is there, so you write here, and this plus. Now this number is in left side from this equal to sign, so we'll take in the right side now. So this plus become, now it will be minus. So here we'll write 27 by 4. Okay, now we'll minus it from 9 minus 27 by 4. So here LCM, here denominator what have 1. So 1 and 4 LCM is what? 4. Okay, so this 1 how many times in 4? 4 times. So directly we multiply this 9 into 4 times. No, 9 4 ja what? 36. We'll do directly here. Okay, so now see 4 how many times in 4? 1 times. So 1, this 1 multiply with this 27, then 27 1 ja 27. Okay, so now what have? They're equal to sign give and then 4. So now 36 minus 27, so 6 minus 7 is not possible. Now 16 minus 7 is 9. So 9 by 4, that means there is, it is in the improper fraction, will convert into mixed fraction. So 4 to ja 8 and denominator what? 4 and remain what? 1, because 4 to ja 8 plus 1 9. So what number will add? You will get 9. So you will add to 1 by 4. So this is your answer. So in that answer you write, thus we should add 2 1 by 4. Okay, so this is your answer. Hope you understood. See question number 7. So in this question number 7, what given? What should be subtracted from 10 to get 3 by 4? So what should be subtracted? So we don't know what will subtract. Okay, so we'll take x should be subtracted. Okay, so let in the solution we'll write first, let the number be x. Okay, number be x. That means you, if you will subtract x, then you will get this number. Okay, 3 by 4. So we taken this one, let the number be x. Okay, so according to question, what have in the question have what should be subtracted from this table? 10, from this 10. So we will subtract this from this 10 minus x, and then what have to get 3 by 4. So here will be 3 by 4. Okay, and then simplify it. There you give implied sign. Now 10 minus x. Okay, so now you give here minus x. Okay, so now you see this equal to sign left side is what, 10 minus x, and there is 3 by 4. So now this 10, if you change the side from left to right, then this will be there. You see there nothing is there, that means there is plus sign, so it will be in the now minus. Okay, now it is 10 minus 10. Okay, and then what have there plus sign. Okay, so there there will be I will write there. First we'll write this 3 by 4. Okay, and then you sign this one what a minus, so minus you give minus. Okay, so because plus will become minus if we change the side. So now minus x. Okay, and now here is what given, mixed fraction, so we'll convert into improper fraction. Okay, if you multiply 3 4 jet 12, 12 plus 3 what, 15. So there is 15, and there is minus 12. Okay, so now we'll simplify it. See 4, so there 4 and their denominator what have, nothing have, that means 1 have. So if like that, then you directly multiply this 4 to this number. So now here have what, the 4 how many times in 4, 1 time, so 1 15 ja 15. Okay, and then minus sign you give, and now denominator what have, 1, so 1 how many times in 4, 4 times, so directly you see 4 into 10 what, 40. Okay, so now you see there what, 4 denominator will be 4, and 15 minus 40, or here minus 40 to plus 15, so plus minus minus 40 minus 15 is what, there is 25. Okay, there is 25, and then there you see there is minus x, right? So here it will be minus x. So here you see there is, which one is greater, there is plus 15, there is minus 15, so plus minus minus, here done minus. Okay, so which number is greater, this 40 is greater, 40 before sign is what, minus, so here also you will give minus sign. Okay, so now this minus and this minus will cancel out. Okay, so equal to give implied sign, then what remain, there is 25 by 4. Okay, that is what, 25 by 4. So if you want to convert into mixed number, you can convert it. Okay, so you see if I convert it, 4 how many times in 24, 6 times. Okay, 6 4 ja 24, and denominator is 4, and remain what, 1, because 6 4 ja 24 plus 1 25. So hope you understood. So for today this much, and next questions will show you, I will show you in the next video. Okay.